This is Code.org. I'm currently working on Dance Party, and I am on level 4, or puzzle 4, Lady Gaga Born This Way. Interesting. I'm just going to kind of leave it on what they have there, but we could change it. This dance needs some flash. Ooh, we got a robot. Let's see what it looks like so far. Hello, robot. And like usual, it's counting the measure of the song. And I think it's every 4 beats counts as one measure. Okay, you need to add a background. Oh, all right. Look for a new block in your toolbar that adds a background effect behind your dancer. Oh, awesome. Watch the effect change in time with the music. Fancy. All right, so background. Oh, I bet it's that. Okay. But where would I put it? Okay, setup. Make a new robot called Fancy Dancer at center. That adds a background behind your dancer in time with the music. Well, if we want the background to show up right away, like I think we do, the robot is on the screen the second I hit run. So let's try putting this under the robot in the setup block, okay? I'm not sure. Let's test it out. Ooh. Go, robot, go. Go, robot, go. Oh, great. So this is the code that worked for me. Let's keep going.